Keep them up high. There you go. There you go. Good. And other side, other leg. Do the other leg now. Bring them up. Let's go, Jeanette. Let's go, Augustine. Get them up high, Augustine. You got it. Good. There you go. Get them up high. There you go. All right, nice stretch, my man. It still look kind of low, but that's fine. 3, 2, 1, and time. You guys are awesome. Focus clap. 1. Focus clap. 2. Full test stand. Up. Hands on your side. You guys are great. Go ahead. I want to start off in the very beginning. So stay right with me. And I want you guys to take your hands, or your left hand, again, it's going to stay open just like this. So everyone raise your left hand and wave with that. Cool? Take your right hand and make a tight fist. Cool. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and put your right hand right into your left hand like this. And that's the symbol of karate. So tight fist just like this. See how I'm doing this? And my knuckles, by the way, are facing on out like that. They're not this way. It's this way. Cool. You guys are awesome. Awesome. Stay where you guys are at. So that's your left side, right? So knuckles here. Josie, where's your hand? Josie, I can't see your hand. Nathan, where's your, oh, okay, hands right here. Good. So from right here, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take this. I'm going to open on up your palms. So palms first. Here, open, straight out, and then slide underneath. Cool. Kind of like a butterfly there, Josie. Got that, Josie? Cool. One more time. So from here, knuckles. Yep. Open palms. Close backs. Awesome job. Awesome job. Here we go to the end. Both hands up. And Pinon. Up. My body bows down. My hands drop down. My left hand opens. Symbol of karate. Open. Just like we practice. Low. Good. I'm going to step to my left side. All the way down to right here. Good. From there, I'm going to take my right leg. I'm going to step up. I'm going to put my feet together. I'm crossing my hands like this, like Wakanda Forever, right? So Black Panther. Here, right here. Good. I'm going to step back with my right leg. Low block down. Good. From there, I'm going to step up with my right hand. Step up and punch. Cool. So basically, my mastery mindset, guys, is setting you guys on up to let you guys know exactly what type of mindset you need in order to be a true martial artist, right? So to be a true martial artist, guys, you have to be not only be good with your physically punches and kicks and so forth in your movements, but it's also in your mind as well too. Can you guys say that? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody say yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So guys, with that being said, one of the attitudes that we should have with our mastery mindset is an I can and I will attitude. Can everybody say I can?
I can.
I can.
I can.
Everybody say I will.
I will.
All right, so one more time. I can.
I can.
And I will.
And I will.
I will.
And that type of attitude, guys, by the way, is exactly what you do with everything you guys want. Let's go. Here we go. Kicking in one direction. Kick. Let's go, Nathan. Nathan, kicks, man. Yeah, I'm talking to you, buddy. Throw that kick there, go. Josie, where's your kicks? That's it, Robert. Good. One side. 10 seconds more. Keep your guards up, too, Bodie. Hands up, my man. Keep your guards up here, Bodie. Good. There you go, Josie. Keep your hands up, too, Robert. Good. Switch. Turn around, face the other way. Good. Now go back to that pad. Go. One pad. Go. Hands up, too, my man. Switch your guards. You have to unmute yourself, Bo.
The bridge of your foot.
The bridge of your foot, the top of your foot, the laces of your shoes. So parents, while you're holding that as well too, make sure they're kicking that, making that contact through. So I'll allow Miss Chloe really quick. Chloe facing that way, turn around to the other. Good, watch your kick, you go to a round kick. Boom, just like that. So it's just gonna go in, but we're just gonna go right and make sure we're kicking with the proper part of the foot. Go ahead, Ben.
Yes.
Yeah, just stay
Awesome.
there.
Good. All right, so we're gonna do that, parents. Just nice and easy on one side. We're gonna do that for 15 seconds on one side, 15 seconds on the other side. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And go in. Make sure they're kicking with the proper foot, the proper part of their foot.
It's okay, hit me, don't worry about it.
I don't care about power. I don't care about speed. What's important, parents, right now is just technique. Good. All those techniques good. 3, 2, 1, and other side. Switch off the other leg. Ready to go.
I got you.
Good. Keep it up. Awesome job. Good. Get the kicks up, though. Don't leave it too low there. Get up a little bit higher. Good. Awesome. 3, 2, 1, and time. Good. Turn face to your parent partner. Bow to them. Thank you very much. High five to them as well, too. Good. And full chest stand. Full stop. 1.